Well, hello, radio astronomy scholars. I'm John. Welcome back for what's hopefully the last time, because now we're going to finish up our assembly of attaching the stand to our horn. As you can see, since our last meeting, boy, have I used a lot and a lot of tape. Lots and lots of tape. You remember how big this roll was when we started? Wow, we've used a lot, and frankly, I probably could have even used more. You might want to do the same, maybe put tape on the outside to protect the horn from the weather. Now we've come to hookup time. Now you'll notice I've used some tape to cover up the soldering. This has to go on the top. So as you can see, I'm going to put this down for a moment. As you recall, when we last finished up, we put some 3.5-inch bolts into the stand, just to give it some strength. And now we'll let it rest on itself. Pulled out. And there we go, resting on itself. We'll turn our attention to the horn. You recall we drilled some holes 1.5 inch below the can. And now we're going to take advantage of those by inserting the bolt from the inside to the outside, one on each side. And now we're going to carefully come down, pick up one of the holes, and literally we're going to work this around till we, she would say, find the other hole. Push it through. There you can see. Put our little wing nut here. Not tight yet, just make sure it doesn't fall off. We're going to do the same thing over here. Hold the bolt. Find hole number 1. Find hole number 2. Put the wing nut down. There you go. And now if you screw it tight, you can see that you can hold the horn pretty steady. You can see if I turn this around, you can see the antenna inside, the connector on the top. The cord's going to go here through this hole, and we'll be able to hook up our electronics. Now, we have one last piece of work to do. I'm going to do that on a separate video for you so I can lift this up onto the table, and that'll be attaching our small pieces of 12-inch wood so that we can add back here the stand for your laptop. So, I'm sure you did a great job. Drill looks better than mine, but there you have it. The stand, the cone, the entire horn assembly, all put together. You are very close to getting ready to take this out and get some readings about the galaxy. Back with you for a last segment in just a little